So you want to sound more like a native English speaker? You gotta do the following. Instead of saying I'm hungry or I'm so hungry, you can say I'm hungry as hell or I'm hungry as fuck. Instead of saying I'm tired or I'm so tired, you can say I'm tired as hell or I'm tired as fuck. Instead of saying are you tired, you can say you tired. Are you hungry? You can say you hungry. Sometimes native English speakers drop the verb to be when asking questions or when saying statements. For example, you can say you crazy, you tired, or you awesome. Instead of saying you are awesome, you are crazy, or you are tired. And the same thing applies for questions. Instead of saying I don't want to do that, you can say I don't want to do that. Or instead of saying I have to go, you can say I gotta go. Instead of saying did you go or did you eat already, you can say did you go, did you eat already. So do you becomes you. So instead of saying I understand, you can say I got it, I gotcha, or roger that. You can say also duly noted. However, duly noted is much more formal. If you want to sound more informal, you can say I got it, gotcha, or roger that. Roger that is actually a term that came from the military. Instead of saying I agree with you, you can say I second that or I side you on that. Instead of saying where are you, you can say where you are. Instead of saying should have, would have, might have, you can say should have, would have, or might have. Instead of saying I'm going to, you can say gonna or I'm gonna. Sometimes some people say finna, I'm finna help you, or I'm gonna help you, I'm gonna help you. Remember that. Instead of saying I'm going to, you can say I'm gonna, or I'm finna. However, finna is not widely spoken. It only applies or it's only used in certain areas of the United States. However, it's important that you know that term. You sounds like yeah. For example, I'm gonna help ya. I'm gonna help ya. How are ya? Instead of saying how are you, you can say how's it going, what's popping, what's shaking, what's gotta, what's good, or what's up. Instead of saying I'm fine, which is incorrect, you can say I'm good, I'm awesome, I'm amazing, I'm doing alright, fantastic, etc. Instead of saying how are you doing, you can say how you doing. Instead of saying I'm excited, you can say I'm thrilled, I'm stoked, I'm pumped up, I'm psyched up, I'm delighted, or I'm elated. Instead of saying I gotta go, you can say I gotta bounce, I gotta blaze, I gotta chop off, I gotta hit the road, I gotta run, I gotta get out of here, I gotta leave. I truly hope that you get a kick out of these videos. So see you next time.